Hey there! Welcome to Fix Netflix. Are you getting the frustrating error message? Your account has been temporarily suspended from using communication features on PS5? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix this issue and get you back to gaming as soon as possible. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Settings. First, head over to the Settings icon in the top right corner of your PS5 home screen. This is where we'll start troubleshooting. Step 2. Check PlayStation Network status. Next, go to Network and click on View PlayStation Network status. Let the page load completely. Here, you need to check if all indicators are green and properly connected, especially PlayStation Store. If any status shows an issue, you may need to wait for PlayStation servers to resolve it. Step 3. Restore licenses. Now, let's refresh your game licenses. Go back to Settings. Then navigate to Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Other and select Restore Licenses. Click to restore all available licenses. This helps refresh your permissions and resolve possible authentication issues. Step 4. Disable and re-enable console. Next, reset console sharing and offline play. Scroll up and click on console sharing and offline play. First, disable this setting. You'll be logged out of your PS5. Click OK to confirm. Then, log back into your PS5. Return to console sharing and offline play. And this time, enable it. This refreshes your console's connection to your PlayStation account. Step 5. Adjust parental controls. Another key step is adjusting parental controls. Go to Settings. Go to Family and Parental Controls. Then click PS5 Console Restrictions. Enter the default passcode, which is usually 0000. Now, click on Parental Controls for new users and make sure all restrictions are set to Don't Restrict. Step 6. Restart your PS5. Once you've completed all the steps, go back to your home screen and restart your PS5. This final step ensures all settings refresh properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your PS5 account suspension issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fix Netflix for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!